everybody, JoPaddy here, and today I'm going to make a painting for some friends of mine. I started off with this painting by painting the background. I spray painted it some chocolate with some black and blended that, and then I did the outsides with some sparkles just to kind of give it a little pizzazz. All right, everybody, let's get started. So I wanted to tell everybody, as I was creating this painting, I was thinking of German Shepherds on the beach. It's not quite dry yet, but it turned out lovely. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm debating whether I want to put resin on it or not. I do not know yet. It turned out just beautiful. I think, anyway. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Arrivederci.